Alright. What is up, everybody? This is Gold Ninja 70. Welcome to another episode of Tech Support. This week, I have another product review. This time, it is of a PC product. So, this is the GMMK. Yeah, let me just click on it real quick. So, this is the GMMK. I have one. It is the 10 keyless, and shockingly, it's $109. Just for this alone, it is $109 fucking dollars. So let me just quickly customize this for you guys. So we're gonna pick the layout. We're gonna do 10 kilo. Okay, never mind. So far it's $60. So we're gonna select that. I'm just gonna put what I have in mind, if they even have them. Do they have pandas? Do they have the pandas? I want my pandas. Where are the pandas? I do not see any pandas. They might be out of pandas. But anyway, I've got the pandas. And if I can get them out of the bag real quick. This is what they look like. Yeah, this is what they look like. And I see that they do not have them. If you listen real quick, you can hear how quiet it is. I don't know if you can even hear that, actually. I was looking at the fucking other shit, but whatever. Alright, so we're not gonna select any, I guess, because they don't have any fucking... They don't have any of them. Fuck. So they don't have the fucking shit. Obviously, you can put your own keycaps on there, which I have done. I've put my own keycaps on mine. Dampen with O-rings. Dampen the noise and adjust the feel of your MX switches. Compatible with RGB lights. None. I don't think mine have any of those. So just the keyboard alone, no switches, no nothing, is about $60. So let's add that to the cart. That's $60 bare bone. So let's find the switches, the pandas. Glorious Panda switches. There they are. That's what I got. Okay, so Glorious Pandas, $25. For what is that? One box? I think that's one box. And for the 10 keyless, you will need 2.5 boxes. Hold on. Yep. Okay, so one box. It's 36 switches, so you need three. You're gonna need 3 of them. Oh, okay. Okay, okay there, bud. So let's go ahead and add. So it's 25. It's $24.99. So you're gonna need to buy 3 of those. So that's $74 on top of your 60. That's $134 for the keyboard. That's just the keyboard. Let's see what else I got. What else? Where is accessories? The wrist. This thingy right here. I got one. I have one. So the glorious padded. Yeah, that's the thing. Wait, why are there 2 different ones? Stealth. Oh, okay. So I have this one. So let's get this one. It is I think it's the regular, and it's the 10 keyless one. Add to cart. Oh boy. Okay. So with all that, plus 23.99, I'm currently using a $158 keyboard. But guess how much it was around Christmas time? Around Christmas time, it's about $60-$70, which isn't the worst. It's not bad, but I also got it as a Christmas gift. But yeah. Technical difficulties here. Not my show. That is not my show. But so this is my GMMK. I was not lying when I said I have one, and that it has pandas. That's a panda. I have my light blue keycaps on there. But when you buy this keyboard, when you buy the GMMK, because it is hot swappable, you can actually put in whatever switches you want whenever you want. I don't know where my switch puller actually is, but you can actually pull the switches out. So there, I don't know why I pulled another one out. I'm trying to. Okay, that's fine. I have a second one with me. Where the fuck does this even go in? All right. So it goes in like this. If it would focus. All right, it's not going to autofocus, but the pins are right here and right here. You place it in with the pins like that, and if you use the switch puller, you can grab it and pull it out, which is very convenient for cleaning or if you want to buy some different switches. Like if you want to buy some of these or some Gatorons, and then you can also buy some ISO keycaps on here. You can buy some pudding keycaps, whatever you want. But there's also other places you can buy keycaps, so don't worry about that. But the switches, you can get them pretty cheap, I guess, if you want a sample pack. But you're not going to get a lot of the same. It's a sample pack, so I mean, you're not going to get replicates. I don't know much about the Gatorons, but I've heard they're pretty nice. I don't know if the color has anything to do with any differences. I think they're all the same. I could be wrong. Mouse pads, I got mouse pads too. But what you're gonna need with all this, get out of here, is you will need the GMMK keyboard editor. This will allow you to actually go in and okay, you can actually edit and set profiles. So I technically have two. I have one that's like that, and then I have this one. They both look they both look pretty nice. Unlike what just happened. But let me just move this over to the side a little. All right. So yes, you need this software to be able to actually use it. You can change the color to whatever you want. You can make your own custom colors. You can do whatever. And there's different, lighting modes. There's glorious mode, which, as you can see on the screen, it just does that. It makes it glorious colors. It makes it look glorious. So I'm going to put that. Actually, I'm going to get rid of that. I want it to go back to what it was. Oh, no, it didn't. Okay. Oh, no. Oh, no. Go back to what you were, please. Oh, no, I fucked up. I fucked up. So it was breathing mode. You can do individual keys or you can do the whole fucking thing. So I have it so that I can do the whole thing. There we go. Nice. Ta-da! Alright, so you're going to need that, which you can get on here. Downloads. You're going to need, either way, you're going to need the previous version or the most recent version of the software because there is not a 2020 version or a 2021 version of the software. There's only the 2019 version. And the way you can find out what version you actually need is the first four digits on the serial number on the back of the keyboard. The back of the keyboard, that little white strip that you can't really see because it's blurry because my camera is ass. That is that's the serial number, and that is the number you need to find out what software version you will require. Obviously, if you bought it in 2020 or you're buying it in 2021, you need the 2019 version because, as I said, they don't have one for 2020 or 2021. That's probably it. Oh, gift cards. Very nice. But if you want to buy any of this stuff, I would really recommend waiting for Christmas time because then you can get it really dummy cheap. Ooh, ooh, that's nice. I might buy one of those. I might buy the wireless one actually for when I play stuff like Siege. But yeah, you can buy mouse pads. You can buy pretty much everything you want on here, or you can buy them elsewhere. Doesn't matter. But if you buy it, regular time of year, it's going to cost you a lot of money. But it's worth it. It's very worth it. Nice and clicky. Nice and clicky mechanical keyboard. Mechanical keyboards are very nice. That's the takeaway. Very, very nice. Sayonara!